Hello guys, welcome back, and again this is sketch number 2 for today. I think this is actually 102, so yeah, they're now creeping up in numbers. So as you can see, um the 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 level, I should say, ramble over it, the level of competency and accuracy is increasing, and the methods that I have been implementing are now paying off, and I can actually see the skill level starting to rise. So each one has been either 3 minutes or slightly over 3 minutes. This was 3 minutes, about 15 seconds. This was 3 minutes, and this one was 3 minutes as well. So I want to actually get down to about a minute and a half or 2 minutes maximum. I started off at about 4 minutes per drawing, or sketch I should say. I utilise good speed, observational and geometric methods. If you don't know what any of those are, please contact me and I will message you back. Or if enough of you request a video of it, I can go into it in far more detail in an actual video, or show you what the methods that I use actually while I'm doing it. So number 3 is the actual closest to the original reference photo. I'm just really happy at the fact that these are actually gaining more accuracy and speed. That's what I was originally wanting for my sketches, because these are, at the end of the day, just sketches. They're not drawings. These are the foundation and first level for the end result, but you can't really polish anything that's rubbish to begin with, or not that great to begin with, I should say. So even if you've got really good skills in painting and tonal shading, if you've not got a good layout and proportioned correctly, it's not going to be the desired effect that you want, or the end result that you want. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it's going. Please contact me if you have any questions, and I shall see you next time. Thanks, guys.